My name is Skylar Hatchett. I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina, and I'm at the Owning It and Living It Nashville 2025 retreat. I decided to join the Mastermind because after being at the conference, I knew that I had learned so much, I had gained so much, and I didn't want to leave without any actionable steps. So I didn't want to just take all of the information in and then just say, well, that was a great conference and not have anything to show for it. I wanted the community to hold me accountable. I wanted mentorship to guide me. I wanted extra coaching to kind of help fill the gaps along the way. And it seemed like the Mastermind was a perfect place to do that. Making the decision at the conference to join the Mastermind was big because I went by myself. So my husband was not with me, he was working. And so I had to call him and say, hey, I promise this is not an emotional decision. I promise, but I think that this is exactly what we need. This is exactly what we're looking for. The Mastermind has made me feel like a totally different person. I feel like when I started, I was very shy, very quiet, didn't want to ask too many questions. And I think getting the quick win of getting our first house has just made me so much more, just more hungry. Like, we're working towards our second property and, even being here at the retreat, learning how to put the right things in order to protect our business and to protect our wealth and make smarter decisions so that we don't have to make as many expensive mistakes early on, which has been so beneficial. I feel like the Mastermind has paid for itself multiple times over. Honestly, I feel like it's not just the education that you get, it's the access. It's having actionable steps through mentorship, through coaching, through the accountability pods, through just the community along the way that helps you confidently put those things in motion. So you're not just getting a whole bunch of information that you could get anywhere else. You're getting intimate coaching that's specific to your situation. I have loved being here this weekend. It feels so good to be around like-minded people who are in so many different stages, but we're all after the same thing. So we all have that level of relatability, and it's just felt like home. It literally, when you go to the conference last year, it felt like a big family reunion. It feels like a continuation of that. It just feels like you're around close friends, catching up. We see each other on the calls, we see each other on person. It's been great. Something I'm leaving with this weekend that I'm gonna put into action right away, definitely gonna be hiring a money team, finding my money team and putting all of the things in place to protect our business. Again, we're newbie investors. We're still getting started, but that doesn't mean that we have to wait until we're a few doors in or hitting a certain dollar amount to start protecting what we have. If somebody's on the fence about joining the Mastermind, just do it. Do it, do it, do it. I can't say it enough, do it. Yes, it's expensive if you're only looking at it from a dollar standpoint, but from the value that you get, the experience that you get, the wisdom that you get, the community, the like-minded people that you get, it's worth all of it and then some. So absolutely do it.